In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set a trailing stop inside of MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to matchtrader.com and then log into your account. Once you get inside of your account, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to find the specific symbol or indicator that you want to add a trailing stop for. Then from here, once you've found it, you'll simply need to go over to the advanced order over here, and then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you can either choose the market or pending order. It really doesn't matter, so just click on the most suitable for you. Then from here you'll need to see how many you'll want to purchase of this specific indicator, and from here you'll need to add in a stop loss. Now from here you can change the stop loss to whatever you seem fit, but from here you also need to click right here on the trailing stop to activate and set a trailing stop on the specific indicator. From here, once you do that, you will simply need to click either sell or buy depending on what type of stop loss it should be, and then click buy down here. From here your position will open up and it will be visible inside of the pending orders until it closes and will open up inside of the open positions. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!